Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to set up OK Google Voice Assistant on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up this particular voice assistant on your Android devices. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your phone settings. So having opened up your phone settings, go ahead and scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google. Go ahead and click on Google. And you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on All Services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Search Assistant and Voice. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google Assistant. Now you are here. Go ahead and click on Voice Match. Make sure this button here is turned on. Once you turn on this particular button, go ahead and click on Back. Then you can go ahead and click on Language right here. So under the languages, this allows you to choose a primary language for your Google Assistant. Go ahead and click on here and then choose your speaking language right here. So as for me, I'm putting it in English by default right here. So once you choose your language, you can see English United States. So go back and scroll down right here. Click on Personal Results and make sure this is turned on right here. That's simple. Go ahead and go back to the home page and back. Then scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on Assistant Voice and Sound. Click on that. And this will allow you to choose a sound or voice that you would like to use when you are using your Google Assistant. So by default, I'm going to put this in orange right here and then just like it's that simple. So I choose that particular voice as my voice assistant. Then here you go. You are fully set on everything right here. So here for speaking to your assistant, click on the language speaking and then set your speaking language. I've already set that to the United States English language right here. It's that simple. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and say, okay, Google. Just like so. Then we can say, can you please open my WhatsApp? So in a few seconds, it automatically open up my WhatsApp right here. We can say, okay, Google, can you open my YouTube app? Just like so, it's automatically take me to YouTube app. So we can as well use this particular Google Assistant in YouTube browse app right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.